Dispatch reported a stolen white Hyundai parked outside a Starbucks occupied by two suspects. Officers
It's actually my second favorite clip. I keep forgetting to upload my favorite one.
arrived expecting a simple recovery, but what followed took their day in a completely unexpected direction.
Coming up to talk to the officer there. Again, white cars in the parking lot. There's only 8 cars in the parking lot saying Starbucks.
22 28.
This one's also a headphone warning, which is kind of crazy because she's in her car with her doors and windows closed, I think.
Devil. Hey, you don't see anybody in it, do you? Asleep. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up.
Get out the
Come
car.
out. Come out right now.
Get out the car. Get out of the car. Get out the car. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Come out. Come out right now. We're gonna pull you out. Get out of the car. Get. Pull out. Pull out. Pull out. Pull out.
Whoa!
One.
Stop the car.